We have to do it quickly.
Ivana.
Okay.
Look, everything is broken over there.
Yeah,
You're not.
you have to clean up.
Quickly.
Eva.
Do it quickly.
Eva, hurry!
Oh no!
Man, not you!
Yeah, you were. Okay,
Okay, then I.
I know where to toss it.
Bigger circle. Quickly.
Yes.
I will.